Dear students, we are going to the question solve the following inequation by using graphical method. Okay, the question is 4 minus x square is greater than 0. That's why the given expression is positive. Okay, so we have to consider that let us say f of x is equal to 4 minus x square. F of x is equal to 4 minus x square. Right? F of x is equal to 4 minus x square. That's why the coefficient of x square, it is taken as y. It is taken as y. So, the coefficient of x square is, for the expression coefficient of x square is negative, then it is downwards parabola, the shape of downwards parabola. So, we have to take the real values, f of minus 3, so 4 plus minus 9, that is minus 5. So minus 5, which is negative, y less than 0, which is negative, y less than 0. That's why this is not satisfy the inequation, since it is taken as y. So y greater than 0. So minus 3 does not satisfy the inequation. Here it is y greater than 0. So it is y less than 0. Now f of minus 2. So f of minus 2 it is 0. So that's why it is 0. So minus 2 not satisfy this inequation. Minus 2 is also not satisfy this inequation. Now f of minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 is 3. That's why y is greater than 0. That's why minus 1 satisfy this inequation. Minus 1 satisfy this inequation. Now f of 0, that is 4. So y greater than 0. So 0 satisfy this inequation. Now f of 1, 3, that is. So y greater than 0. Now f of 2 is 0. This is not satisfying the inequation. Now f of 3. This is minus 5. That's why it is less than 0. That's why it is not satisfying the inequation. Are you clear? That's why here, so these two not satisfying the equation, and these two not satisfying the equation. This part satisfying the equation. That's why here these two parts not satisfying the equation. This part is satisfying the equation. Now we are going to draw the graph for this one. We are going to draw the graph for this one. Now here, so this is taken as y-axis, this is taken as x-axis. Okay, here it is 0, here it is minus 1, here it is minus 2, it is minus 3, right? It is 1, it is 2, and it is 3. Now f of minus 3, what is that? That is minus 5. F of minus 3 is, that means here we have to take 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 minus. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So f of minus 3 is minus 5. That's all. Here it is minus 5. Now f of minus 2, that is 0. F of minus 2, that is 0. Now f of minus 1, f of minus 1 is 3, f of minus 1 is 3, and f of 0 is 4, f of 0 is 4, right? And f of 1 is 3, f of 1 is 3, and f of 2 is 0, and f of 3 is minus 5, f of 3 is minus 5. That's all. Now we have to draw the graph. Now we have to draw the graph for this one. Since f of minus 2 0, that's why this is the graph. That's why the graph, the expression, the graph intersect the x-axis at minus 2 and 2. But in between minus 2 and 2 it is positive. That's why in between minus 2 and 2 it is positive. Now below the minus 2, including minus 2, it is negative. It is negative, but the curve is positive. Here also it is negative. It is negative. Above 2 it is negative. That's why this is positive part. Above x-axis is positive. That's why I have to take, here it is y greater than 0, means 4 minus x square greater than 0, then x square minus 4 less than 0. Then x plus 2 into x minus 2 less than 0. That's why we know the formula. If x minus alpha, x minus beta less than 0, then the value of x lies within the interval alpha and beta. So we know the formula. If x minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0, then alpha less than x less than beta. That's why x belongs to open alpha beta. That's why according to this one, here we have to write x minus of minus 2 into x minus 2 less than 0. That means here it is. This is minus 2 less than x less than 2. That's why x belongs to open minus 2 to 2. That's why this is the solution set for the inequation. What is the solution set? X belongs to minus 2 to 2. X belongs to minus 2 to 2. So this is the solution set. Are you clear? That's why this is the inequation. That's why here the coefficient of x square is negative. Then the graph is downwards. Their maximum value is 4. Minimum value, we don't know that. But that's why in between, that's why the graph, that means the value of x lies within the interval minus 2 and 2, excluding minus 2 and excluding 2, lies between them. That's why from the given expression, inequation is part, that means the given expression is positive. The values lies within the interval minus 2 to 2. That's why the set of real numbers which satisfy the inequations lies within the interval minus 2 to 2. That's why the real number set lies within the interval minus 2 to 2 satisfy the inequation. That's why this is the solution set. X belongs to minus 2 to 2. Open minus 2 to 2 is the solution set for this inequation. Are you clear? So this is the graphical method. Actually, this is the formula. Here always alpha is less than beta. For alpha less than beta. Since that is the concept of intervals on inequations. According to the intervals concept, you have to do this like this. And that's why here it is x value definitely lies within the interval minus 2 to 2. That's why the graph is positive. The graph represents positive above the x-axis, that is lies within the interval minus 2 to 2. Okay, below minus 2 it is negative, above 2, above plus 2 it is negative. In between minus 2 to 2 it is positive. That's why the graph intersects the x-axis at minus 2 and 2. But from the given inequation, minus 2 and 2 not satisfied. In between minus 2 and 2, the equation satisfied. The expression is satisfied. The inequation satisfied. Expression is positive. Expression is positive in between minus 2 to 2. That's why the solution set of this inequation x belongs to open minus 2 to 2. Open minus 2 to 2. Or also this can be right. The solution set for this one is r minus of open minus infinity to closure to union, closure to open infinity. So that is another representation. This is another representation. That's why the solution set for this equation x belongs to minus 2 to 2 or x belongs to open minus infinity to closure to union, closure to open infinity. Are you clear? That's why the curve intersects the y-axis at 4. The curve intersects the y-axis at 4. That's why this is the downwards parabola. Since the coefficient of x square for the expression is negative, then it is downwards parabola. Suppose ax square plus bx plus c is taken as an expression, then if in the expression x square coefficient is positive, then it is upwards parabola. X square coefficient is negative, then it is downwards parabola. That's why this is this represents the downwards parabolic form, and it lies within the interval minus 2 to 2. That's why the solution set is open minus 2 to 2. That's why the real numbers satisfy the given inequations which lies within the interval minus 2 to 2, excluding minus 2 and 2. Okay, that's all.